Hello everyone. Marble tips. Marble nails are an ongoing trend. Why not try it with French tips? We are especially found on the purple variation, complemented by a full marble nail. French fascinates. French tips and fascinates go head in a head style. Wise is so we not combine the two wavy chooses into a one. Start with a bare nails. Then head point is a ground or use a nail tensils to get the cross stitch design. Once dry point, you tips white and finish with a clear base. Understanding tips. This look worn by a jelly shorts in a subtle way to update the French manicure. After your white tips are dry, underline each with a strips of a nut and finish off the look with a clear top coat. Modern outline. Focus on this manicure ring finger. The white tip is lined in a black for a graphic modern accused designs. Oil spill tips. Take the oil spill nail trend to another level by applying the fill just at your tips, leaving the rest of your nail bar. Mint may fade. This nail artist combined at a mint French tip within a overfade. No matter what colors you choose, always start with your lightest shade first and give yourself time for each coat to dry. Double lined. This minimal nails update the French tips with the simple additional of cross painting middle line. For that session, make the cover of your tape to go the cleanest look. Free form details for